Hi, kindergartners. Welcome to another day of math meeting. Let's begin with the days of the week. How many days are there in a week again? You should know, right? How many? 7 days. That's right. Let's sing the song and the dance, or just the song, the song that goes with the 7 days of the week to help us remember. Ready? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, so what day is today? Here's a hint. Tomorrow is Wednesday. If tomorrow is Wednesday, what does that make today? The day before Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What came before Wednesday? Tuesday, yeah. Tuesday comes before Wednesday, and today is Tuesday. Say, today is Tuesday. Go, today is Tuesday. Yeah, let's talk about months of the year. How many months are there in a year? Let's count these out just to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year, that's right. Let's stand on the ground and do the song and the dance that helps us remember our months. Ready? Here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Good job. Thank you for doing that. Now, what month are we in right now? It starts with an N. November, that's right. Let's take a look at what day exactly in November, which means we have to look at our calendar. Okay, here's our November calendar, and look, we have a special day today. We have a cupcake on today, which means today is someone's birthday. Today is someone's birthday who is not a student. She is actually an aide in the classroom. When you are here in person, she gets to help you with all sorts of things in the classroom. She gets to help you read. She has one-on-one time with you. She helps pass out things. She does all sorts of things to help you learn. And her name is Mrs. Greggs. And so say, happy birthday, Mrs. Greggs. So you probably haven't met her yet, but you will in January when you come back to school. So today is her birthday, and what day is today? Her birthday, let's see. It's the number that comes after 9. What comes after 9? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you should say 10 comes after 9. A 1 and a 0 makes 10, doesn't it? Our very first number that has 2 digits in it, that has 2 numbers in it. See how 9 only has 1 number and 10 has a 1 and a 0? So we're going to put a 10 on top of that cupcake because today is the 10th. Say 10th. That's how you say it. Okay, so now that we know that today is November 10th, we can write it. So what I would like you to do is get out a piece of paper or your whiteboard if you have it. Your whiteboard is awesome to use because you can always easily erase it. And I want you to write the date with me. So what do we need first when we write our date? The month, right? The month comes first. And we are in the month of November, that's right. And so that's the first thing we write. Once again, the first letter of a month is always what? Uppercase. Yep, it is capitalized. So our first letter has to be uppercase. And what letter is this? November. We said it earlier, the first letter, it's an N, yeah. The first letter is an N. Make a capital N on your paper. To make an N, remember you go straight up, slant down to the right, and then go up. All right. What comes after the N? What letter is this? Whenever it's just a circle like that, yeah, it's an O. November. November. So, make an O. All right. After your O, what comes next? No. What makes that V sound? This is a letter V, yeah. A letter V is super easy to make. All you have to do is slant down and to the right, and then slant up and to the right. November. All right. What comes after the V? What do we have here? November. What letter is that? It's an E, right? Yeah. To make an E, you slide to the right, and you finish it off with a C, like that. November. All right. What comes after the E? This letter says the sound. November. Yeah, this is an M. Yeah, this is an M. To make an M, remember you make a line down, and then you trace up, and you give it 2 humps. Good job. November. What comes next after the M? What is this? It makes the b sound in November. Yeah, this is a B. Do you remember how you make a B? To make a B, you make a line and you give it a belly to the right. That's right. Okay. And our last 2 letters go together. They say the sound in November. Do you remember what 2 letters make the ER? Oh, I just said it. The sound? It's an ER, right? You knew that because we say it so many times in October and September. All right, let's make an ER. Slide to the right and then finish it off like that with a C to make an E. And then to make an R, it's super easy. You just make a line, trace up, and give it a little hook like that. Good job writing November. Here we go. Let's continue with our date. What do we need after our month? Yep, we need our number, the number of days that we are at. So, what number did we say we're at? 10, yeah. 1 and a 0 makes 10. And the 1 has to come first, right? So, first thing we do is make a 1 for our 10, and then we have to make a 0 for our 10. Yeah. So make your 10 for November 10th. And then, what can we not forget before we write our year? We can't forget our little comma, yeah. Right next to the 10. Not floating up here, not floating over here, right there. Good. Okay, now we can finally write our year, right? And the year is 2020, that's right. So to make a 2020, the first number is a 2, right? Make a 2. And what do we need after that? A 0. All your numbers should be about the same size, right? 2, 0. What comes next? Another 2. And finally, the last number in 2020, another 0, yeah. 2, 0, 2, 0 makes 2020 or 2020. Here we go. Let's announce the date together. Grab your microphone. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is November 10th, 2020. Awesome work. Here we go. Let's move on to the pattern for the day. No, I'm sorry. Let's move on to days of the week. Days in school. Final answer. What comes after a 46? Yesterday we had 46 days in school. Today we're going to have 47. Yeah, if you said 47, you are correct. the tens place stays the same, and the ones place goes up 1 to make 47. A 4 and a 7 makes 47. Okay, since you are not here, I will quickly fill in the 47th square in our days in school chart. Here we go. There is our chart so far. Here we go. Let's talk about the tens and ones in 47. So, how many tens are there in 47? I'll take off the sticker so you can see it again. How many tens in 47? 4, right? There's 4 tens in 47. And how many ones are there in 47? 7 ones, yeah, because you can see that this is the place for the tens, this is the place for the ones. 47. All right. Now let's move on to the pattern. Okay, let's say what we have so far. Say it with me, ready? 22, 23, 24. Okay, so what do you think the pattern might be today? How are these numbers changing each time? 22, 23, 24. It kind of sounds like we're just counting up, right? It's going up 1 each time. We're pretty much just counting up. All right, easy, let's do it. 22, 23, 24. What comes after 24? Yeah, 1 more than 24 is 25. Yeah. If you're doing the pattern along with me, you can just make these 3 numbers. You don't have to write them all if you don't want to. Let's make it 25. To make a 25, what 2 numbers are there in a 25? There's a 2 and a 5. Yeah. Make a 2, down and around, and slide to the right. And then to make a 5, we go down and around, and we give it a hat. 25. Okay. So what's 1 more than 25? You can always look at a number line too if you get stuck. Here you can kind of see this number line in the corner of your screen. 25, you can hop 1 more to see that you get to 26. Yeah, 26. Make a 26 after your 25. And to make a 26, it's a 2 and a 6, right? Down and around and slide to the right. And a curly number 6. Good job. Okay. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. What comes after 26? What's 1 more than 26? If you hop 1 more than 26, you're at 27. That's right. Make it 27 to finish off our pattern for today. To make it 27, what 2 numbers are there in a 27? A 2 and a 7, yeah. Make a 2, down around and slide to the right again, and a 7. There you go. Let's say our pattern all together to make sure we got it right? To double check our pattern. Say it with me. Ready? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Did that just sound like we were just counting? Yeah, it did, because we were going up 1 each time. Way to go. Let's talk about our coin cup. How much money will we have today? Let's see. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, lost one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 pennies in the coin cup. Let's put them on the board. Here we go. Let's go to 13 again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have to stick with me there while I'm trying to stick all these on. And how much money is each penny worth? How much money is in a penny? Just 1 cent. Yeah, that's right. 1 cent is in each penny. So I could write a 1 above each of these pennies to show that there's 1 cent in each penny, but for time's sake, I'll just move on. So how many cents do I have if I have 13 pennies? How many cents do I have if I have 13 pennies? 13 cents. That's right. A 1 and a 3 makes 13. 13. And a cent sign is a C with a line through it like that. 13 cents. Awesome. Let's move on to weather. Sing the weather song with me. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right. Today I predicted that it would be a sunny day. Let's sing the sunny song. Ready? It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. All right, you can see that I put the sunny tile in the column on our graph for the sunny column. And so we have 2 sunny days. Cloudy is still winning with 4, and we have 1 rainy day. So that's how our graph is going so far. Let's review our shapes. After I get all these off the board, which one of these is the triangle? Is it the green one or the orange one? Which one of these is the triangle? Yeah, the orange one is the triangle. How do you know that this one is the triangle? Because there's 3 sides and 3 angles, yeah. Which one of these is the square? Is it the green shape or the blue shape? Which one of these is the square? Yeah, this one, the green one, is the square in this case. How can you tell that it's a square? Because there's 4 sides and they're all the same, yeah. Which one of these is the rectangle? Is it the blue shape or the green shape? Which one of these is the rectangle? You should say the green one again. Yeah, because it has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, and the sides can be longer than the others, or some sides can be longer than the others in a rectangle. Okay, and finally, just tell me, what shape is this? This is the easiest one, right? It's a circle, yeah, because there's no sides, no angles. Way to go, kindergartners. You did so great in math meeting today. I'll see you tomorrow.